Hello everyone, I am Shikha and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll talk about Franz Kafka and his most important work, The Metamorphosis from Net Point of View. I'll also be discussing some previous year's questions relevant to Kafka that has been asked in Net exam till now. So let's begin with the lecture. First, I'll briefly discuss his biography. It's important because you must know that it is somehow similar to his work that I'm going to discuss in this video. So let's just briefly look at his biography first. Okay, he was born in 1883 into a middle class family to a German speaking Jewish family in Prague. He then worked at an insurance company in order to support his parents. So later in his life, Kafka contracted tuberculosis in 1917 and was supported by his sister and parents. So when Kafka died, his unfinished works were ordered by Kafka to be buried, but his friend Max Brod published them somehow, ignoring Kafka's request. So these were some of the important points from his biography that you needed to know in order to understand his work. So let's just look at some of Kafka's important works. The first one is The Judgment, which was published in 1913, then The Metamorphosis, which was published in 1915, then The Trial, which was published in 1925, The Castle, 1926, and then at last The America, which was published in 1927. It was also called The Man Who Disappeared. So let's now come to his work, The Metamorphosis. When we look at its literal meaning, it means, I quote, change of physical form, structure or substance, spatially by supernatural means, unquote. So you see, it means a transformation or a metamorphosis from one thing to another. So it is a novella. Novella, you must be aware of that it is usually longer than short story but shorter than a novel. So it is a novella which was first written in 1912 and published in 1915, and it was later translated into English in 1936. So this was the background of its novel, of the novel Metamorphosis. Let's look at its characters first. So the first one is Gregor Samsa, who is a traveling salesman and the protagonist of the story. He hates his job but keeps it somehow because of the obligation he feels for his family. So you see, the Gregor Samsa, the protagonist, his life is somehow relevant to the writer, the Franz Kafka itself. So that's why I told you his biography is most important. You must keep that in your mind. So the next character we have is Greet Samsa, who was Gregor Samsa's sister. She takes sole responsibility for Gregor's care after he turns into an insect. She loves to play violin. And the next character we have is Gregor's father, Mr. Samsa, who is a business failure and leaves a lot of debt to Gregor. He begins to work once Gregor is transformed and can no longer support his family. He is responsible for Gregor's death also. The next character we have is Gregor's mother, Mrs. Samsa. She is a very weak woman. She tries to help Gregor but is disgusted by him. She suffers most from Gregor's transformation because Gregor's transformation is also the reason of her death. So it was all Gregor's family. Let's move to another important character, Chief Clerk. The chief clerk is also the chief's mouthpiece, means the mouthpiece of Gregor Samsa's boss. So this was all the background of The Metamorphosis. Let's look at the summary now. So it is divided into three parts. Let's look at part one. The first part begins with the protagonist, Gregor Samsa, who I told you, a traveling salesman. He wakes up one morning and finds that he has transformed into an insect, or you can say a vermin-like creature. He tries to get out of bed as he was getting late for the office, but to his dismay, he was unable to move. He found difficulty in moving out of bed, Observing that he didn't come out of his room and got late for his work already, his family becomes suspicious that why he hasn't come and why he's not going to the office. So his family becomes suspicious and knocks at his door to check on him. Gregor at that time was continuously called by his family members from outside the room, but he was not able to answer them. He then realized that his voice sounds so strange because even his family members couldn't comprehend whatever the Gregor was saying. In the meantime, the chief clerk of Gregor's firm arrived. The chief clerk, I told you in the character. So he arrived to inquire about him, that why he has not yet showed up for the work. So he heard clerk's voice, the Gregor. He heard clerk's voice from outside his room, who was continuously criticizing him and warning him that he may lose his job if he continues to behave in this manner. Gregor then struggles to open the door and shows himself up before everyone outside the room. As he opens the door, his mother falls on the ground, seeing his horrifying appearance, which I told you that he has transformed into an insect-like creature. So she falls on the ground, seeing his horrifying appearance. Everyone else also gets shocked, and even chief clerk fearfully runs away from their house. So this was the first part. Let's move to the second part. The second part of the story begins with the state of Gregor, who now finds himself comfortable under the things like sofa or bed. He now also crawls up over the walls and ceilings. He doesn't like fresh food now because he's an insect now. He can't eat human food properly. He prefers half-decayed scraps which his sister leaves for him. His family members instead start losing their hopes that Gregor would ever return to a human form again. It was only Gregor's sister Greet who takes care of him. She helps Kafka by arranging few things into his room so that Kafka could hide himself. One day, Gregor felt a sense of belongingness. So he climbed up the wall towards a photo frame. The photo frame was of a lady in furs. By seeing that, his mother passes away, like she dies there and then only. His father, seeing at that terrible sight, furiously throws an apple at him, which injures Kafka after then. So this was the second part. Let's move to third part. In the third part, we see that all his family members who were earlier dependent on Kafka started working themselves. Kafka, who is unable to work, now continuously getting neglected by his family because now they have other things to look after, of course. And also Gregor was of no use to them. Even Greet, who was wholesale caretaker of Gregor, started resenting him. So here we see the transformation, or in Kafka's term we can say metamorphosis, in families' behaviors as well, because their attitude has changed towards Gregor, who was once a breadwinner for them, has now become a burden over the entire family. Now we observe that the entire family's financial conditions also get deteriorated. They take 3 lodgers over their place to stay so that family can earn some money from them. One evening, when 3 of them sit over their living room to listen to Greet, who was playing violin there, Gregor also gets amused by the voice of her music and comes over there. So of course the lodgers get scared. Gregor's father tries to shove Gregor back into his room and asks the lodgers to calm down, but they protest and demands the family to get rid of the creature because it's not possible for them to live in such disgusting condition. So Greet then tells her parents that they must get rid of Gregor now because he's making their life difficult to live. Her father agrees and assumes that Gregor will understand them. Meanwhile, Gregor overhears their conversation and realizes that he indeed has become a burden over the entire family, and also he was the reason for his mother's death. So he decides to take his life as well by starving himself to death. Upon discovering that Gregor is dead now, the family felt a great sense of relief. They asked those 3 lodgers to move out of their house so that family can move to a better place or to a new house. The novella ends with a family where they were seeking a suitable match for their daughter Greet. So this was the summary of the novella, The Metamorphosis. Now let's move to some questions that has been asked previously in NET exam. So the first question is, which of the following statement on the ending of Kafka's Metamorphosis is correct? The death of Gregor Samsa is marked by, the first option is violent convulsions. The second one is a slow ebbing, a way of life hardly perceptible. The third one is the miraculous appearance of a priest to administer the last rites. The fourth option is the last morning of the cleaner who discovers the body. So these were the fourth option, out of which you must find a correct answer. You must remember that this question has been asked in September 2013. So which is the correct option? The correct option is a slow ebbing, a way of life hardly perceptible. So let's move to the second question. In Franz Kafka's Metamorphoses, Gregor Samsa one morning found himself changed in his bed to a monstrous kind of vermin. The most difficult thing for Samsa was, that I've already told you, please remember that. The first option is to look at his image in the mirror. No. To remember what happened the day before. No, I guess. To communicate with anyone, or to brush his teeth. I guess you know the answer. To communicate with anyone. So let's move to the third question now. Which work by Franz Kafka is also known as The Man Who Disappeared? So the options are The Castle, The Metamorphoses, In the Penal Colony, or The America. I guess you know the answer, America, because I told you this when I was talking about Kafka's important works. So America, his work, it was also called as The Man Who Disappeared, and the question came in July 2016. So that's all for Kafka and his work, The Metamorphoses. Please cover all the things that I've told you till now regarding Kafka and The Metamorphoses. So that's all for today's lecture. We'll meet in my next video. And yes, if you want to read Kafka and note down some few points that I've mentioned in my video, you can check the description box below, because I've provided you the link of my blog on Kafka. There are some other blogs too which you may find helpful while preparing for your NET exam. Also, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook, where I post on the daily basis and provide my students with all the important notes which are helpful for their preparation. So bye bye, take care and keep studying, and all the very best for your upcoming NET exam.